Hello everyone. Take a section of the hair from the front and tie a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself and then begin to braid the hair. Take another section right underneath it, divide it into two portions, wrap it around the braid, roll it in on itself and once more braid it. Repeat this step. Start off by taking a section off the top of the head. Make two braids out of it. Add multiple sections to this braid and attach it. At the back, make two ponytails. Divide the hair into three sections. Taking the top two sections that are ponytails, take two small sections and then join them in the middle at the back. It should look kind of like a braid. Attach it to the bottom and make a normal braid. Once you are done, leave the rest of the hair. Make two sections in the front, add multiple rubber bands to it. At the back, make a ponytail, make two braids out of it. Pull these two braids through. Make a heart shape out of it. Make a ponytail. Start off by taking a section off the front of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Divide it into two portions and twist them one into the other. Roll it into a bun. Once you are done, add a decorative clip. Start off by taking a section off the top of the scalp and then braid one side of it. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections into it. Do the same on the other side. Lift them up and tie them up accordingly. Take a section from the front, add a rubber band to it and begin to braid it. Roll this braid upwards and tie a rubber band in the middle. Make two more braids. Divide this section of the hair into four parts. Add multiple rubber bands on two of the parts and on the side, make a bun using a bun stick. Adjust the hair accordingly. Start off by combing the front section of the hair apart from the rest. Tie a rubber band to it, roll it in on itself. Join it at the back. Join two more sections at the back as such and do this another time. For the rest of the hair, braid it. Start off by tying a ponytail and then add a hair twine through it. Wrap the hair around the hair twine and then roll it into a bun. Adjust the decorative piece accordingly. Divide the hair into four pieces. Add multiple sections in the bottom using your rubber bands. Use a bun stick to make a bun at the top as such. Start off by tying a ponytail at the top, make two divisions at the bottom, make two braids out of it. As for the ponytail, add a bun stick to it, roll the hair around it, make a bun, add a hairnet. Start off by tying a ponytail at the top section of the hair, roll it in on itself and make two braids. Attach these braids to the bottom hair as well, lift it up and use a decorative piece. Section off the top of the hair, add a rubber band to it. Add a ribbon with a bow. Using the sections of the ribbon, make a braid out of it as such. This will be kind of like a French braid. Divide the hair into three parts, make two braids at the bottom. As for the top, make a ponytail. Use a bun stick to make a bun out of it. Adjust the hair accordingly. Add a decorative rubber band. Start off by making multiple sections of the hair and then braid each of them. There should be about 6 to 8 of them. Add some decorative clips to them. Thank you for watching.